Snap specs are finally here in 2025, poised to redefine augmented reality without the need for a phone. These chunky yet surprisingly capable AR glasses come with a hefty $2,195 price tag, but promise a fully immersive, standalone experience. Discover their impressive 4-hour battery life, extendable by 16 hours with the charging case, an innovative design that finally accommodates prescription lenses. Snap's CEO, Spiegel, confidently asserts these specs could outperform rivals like Apple Vision Pro and Meta Quest in battery duration, offering twice the usage. Imagine interactive art exhibits, immersive theme park rides, or even outdoor AR games, powered by their dual Snapdragon processors and advanced AI. While they might feel expensive for everyday use, their potential for groundbreaking experiences is undeniable. Learn how their electrochromic lenses adapt to light and how hand tracking allows for intuitive control, running on a custom OS with AI-powered apps. Is Snap truly ahead in the AR race with its integrated AI, which helps create content faster and even runs some processes directly on the glasses? These specs are designed to be more reliable and comfortable, enabling longer, collaborative AR experiences previously impossible. For links to explore the future of augmented reality and potentially pre-order your own Snap specs, check the description below.